What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN. Hope you're doing fine. If you've been following me on my Instagram, you know I'm making it. For those of you who don't know, my mother just passed away on the 22nd. So, thank you in advance. But I know she would want me to continue on doing what I love to do, which is share what I know that I've learned from her and my dad. So, show must go on. Today, we're going to thank one of my sponsors for my upcoming 4K giveaway, which is Old Ironsides Woodworks. He went ahead and sent me some of his cutting board wax to review. So, thank you for that. You can go ahead and hit him up on his Instagram page to go ahead and purchase this cutting board wax. He also does cutting boards, all sorts of other projects, so definitely hit him up. Now, let's go ahead and show you how this cutting board wax works. First off, we're going to go ahead and open the can up, take a look at it. Very nice looking. Feels very nice. We're going to go ahead and take one of our little wax applicators here. Get a nice amount on there. So, wiping it into the board. My board is sorely needing this right now. This is an edge grain board, which means is that when they cut the wood, they stud it on its ends and then glued and pressed them together. Just like that, the board's done. Got a nice little shine to it now. That purple heartwood is really popping out. Look at that board. Definitely pick you up some of this board wax from Old Ironsides Woodworks on Instagram. Well worth it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.